Hi, it's Dan Marx at the Printing United Expo. I'm thrilled to be talking with Kristin Lanzarone of WrapStar Pro. First of all, Kristin, tell us a little bit about your company.
So I started WrapStar Pro back in 2013, and since then I have grown the company to be fairly large and recognizable in the industry. Just recently I just started a training facility called WrapStar University. It's a universal training facility to house trainings of all types of pressure sensitive pieces, could be window tint, PPF, color change, print media, fleet graphics, windows, walls, and floors, everything that we do here. And with that, I can do, host any brand or any, distributor can come in and do their one-day trainings and educate their clients, as well as, brand reps and stuff.
How interesting do you think training is today in terms of finding good installation help?
Training is very important. I always tell all the installers, go get training, go get certified. There are things that you can learn in this industry that you may not have come across yet that'll help you, do an install a lot faster. But I always say get training. It's super important.
Okay, so WrapStar Pro does design services, printing services, installation services.
Yes.
Are your customers asking for anything different lately?
Yeah, so the biggest thing that I've kind of discovered in the last year is doing color management. So I have clients that want me to match their specific color. And with the help of Ray Reese at PDAA, he's helped me, buy a color scanning device.
Right.
And, help me calibrate my printers. And with that, I'm able to capture those colors that my clients need.
It's really those brand colors?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's just say, for instance, like Walmart wants me to do their, yellow spark and their blue. Like I can be able to take that, scan the color with the LAB values and figure out, getting those colors right.
And really get there.
Yeah.
And then in terms of how the industry is changing, do you see more companies that primarily focused on installation jumping more into also doing printing services and vice versa? Every
day. There are lots of installers that want to do things in-house. So they want to be printers as well. That also takes the skill of either being a designer or they got to find a designer. But no, it's happening like every day. And I think it's great because that's going to grow our industry as for, the wrap industry as well as the printing industry.
Yeah. And for a person running a business today, obviously running a business always has its challenges, but what are a few key things do you think that business owners today should be focusing on or think about?
Training. I'd say it's all about training, and if there's any certifications, get as many as you can, because I feel when you have that badge that your clients will think that, you're doing the job right and you can do the job correctly. I'm all about training.
Yeah. Is it a challenge for you to find labor like most everybody else right now, or are you able to keep people pretty well?
It's pretty hard. I'm in California, so it's a little bit different. Our stuff, cost is expensive. But that's why I'm doing the training facility, so I can find my installers. Okay.
And then we're here at the Printing United Expo. What's your impression of the show so far, and what have you reacted to the most?
I love it. I'm so glad it's back. Since 2019, Dallas was the last one. That was a great hit. It's amazing. It's busy. There's so many people here. There's so many vendors, and COVID's gone. Let's bring everybody back and have a good time.
Sounds great. Well, it was great talking to you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Thanks so much.